Welcome to my channel. So let's take a look at the issue first. So from what we can see, this is the issue I'm having as I want to launch games on my PC. So, to fix this issue or error, first thing you want to do is to download this file from the description of the video, or you can search it online. Application. Name is called AIO Installer. So, after downloading the file, all you need to do is run it as admin. After that, the next thing to do is just wait for it to load. So, after everything has loaded up, all you have to do is click on the installation button. Then, you have fixed your number one problem with playing games on PC. So, let's take a look if mine is fixed. Smile. As you can see, the issue has been fixed. Enjoy your gaming, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if I helped you fix the issue. Finally, I will be answering your questions in the comments.